Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop. It's just about 10 in the morning. Everybody, I've gotten a lot of text messages this week asking for updates. Where's my bar? When's it coming? So I'm going to make this quick. We are heading to Massachusetts tomorrow, which is Friday, to install that huge bar. Everything's ready and set for us to go up there. This is the other Illinois bar there. That one will be going with the other Illinois bar and the Wisconsin bar, which we were able to take off the table yesterday because we moved the big one out of the shop and onto the trailer. So this is Wisconsin, this is Illinois, that one's St. Louis, but this one's getting shipped. So we just have to get it crated and boxed up, and off that one goes as well. So I don't want to get into what I went through last year with everybody, but I am going to emphasize this. I am doing everything I can to get your project. I know everybody's excited. I got to get the Lebanon, PA to do a tiki hut, and I got to get out to Fromville, Pennsylvania. That's out by Pittsburgh, to do another big tiki bar. I got a Texas tiki bar. I got another tiki hut in Virginia. So I got a lot going on. So if you guys think I'm building these bars and just letting them sit in my shop, you guys are crazy. But I don't want these things sitting here. I need to get these things out of here so I can keep building and keep moving along. So listen, I'm not making excuses, but I am so sure to help. Now, granted, this year I have Eric, but we're pumping some stuff out here in the shop. Problem is getting it out. I don't have the manpower to move it. I don't have a second driver for the box truck. So I am doing everything I can. Ed is coming up from Virginia today to help us out on this trip. So, and that's the extent of my help. I have Ed from Virginia coming up, and myself and Eric. And Eric can't drive due to a neurological problem. He's a little weird upstairs. No, I'm kidding. He had a stroke years ago. So flying and driving are out of the question for him. He could be a passenger, but that's about it. So so Ed's coming up. He should be here later this afternoon. And then we're going to take off first thing tomorrow morning. And hopefully we have some help out there, because this thing, I had a bunch of guys come over last night, and it took every ounce of strength for us to get this thing up here. This thing's 14 foot and 7 foot deep. It's got tons of cabinets in it. It's going to get a lot of appliances, which are all in the box truck. So here's the schedule. Massachusetts this weekend. When I get back, we're going to try and get that tiki hut in Lebanon, PA. We're going to try and get that knocked out. Again, it's all based on the help I have. I can't do this stuff by myself. I can build by myself, but I can't deliver by myself. And then we're going to do Wisconsin and the Illinois projects. How I'm getting all three of these out there in one shot, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm going to definitely need extra hands. It's going to be a long trip, probably at least a week and a half or so. Anybody interested in a 2-week free paid vacation to Illinois and Wisconsin, helping me get these things out? Now, I appreciate everybody's patience, and I did get a comment earlier on being patient. I know you're being patient, but I can only do so much. And it's the same thing as last year, except last year I didn't have Eric, but I did 20 bars by myself last year, and then my friends and family on the weekends came and helped out. This year it's a totally different story. I can't constantly ask my friends and family for help. And I absolutely hate doing it, and so I'm limiting that this year. They are willing to help when I need them, but I can't do it every single weekend. So anyway, that's the schedule. I'm trying to get everything out of here as fast as I can. Now that the table's freed up, I don't know. We got a lot of deliveries. I don't know. I can start putting one together. The next big one is Fromville, PA. I can start putting that together. I have the components made and all the appliances are here. So I can start putting that together if these things aren't moving. But again, it's all based on help. I've had delays in getting material here. You guys saw that in some of my past videos. All stuff out of my control. The weather is out of my control. We've had some postpones because of weather. I can't help that. So I'm doing the best I can for what I have. And again, I want this stuff out of here because I can't build if it's still here. So, all right, I only have 2 minutes left of a video that I could take before I run out of memory on my phone, but I'll take you around this one real quick. So this is the 14 by 7 foot bar. It's getting a 16 by 10 roof on it. It's a big roof, synthetic. And this is the back of it here. So we've got it on here. Like I said, we got it on here last night. I had a bunch of buddies come over. Every time I have friends come over and help me lift bars onto the trailer, it costs me about $100 because I gotta buy them all drinks when we're done. I had a cooler full of beer here for them yesterday, but they were drinking that, and then off to the side door pub we went, and I bought a bunch of rounds for everybody for helping out. So the truck's just about all loaded. I just saw a text message come through. It looks like Ed is going to be here late this afternoon. But Eric's got the truck pretty much ready to go. I don't think we have too much more to throw back there, but we always overpack just in case. Always take 2 of everything. Hopefully we have enough palms. Nah, we should have way more than what we need. All right, so that's my update video. And again, guys, listen, I'm doing everything I can. So just bear with me. The projects are coming out, and I'll get there as soon as I humanly possibly can. All right, from the Tiki Kev shop, off to Massachusetts we go. Tiki Kev out.